Hey there everyone guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to change your phone number on Uber Eats. So whether you've got a new number or you just want to update your profile for security, this quick guide guys will help you through the steps. So let's actually get started. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure you logged into your account. And then you want to just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will actually take you to your account settings. So once you're here, you want to select account settings or just settings, depending on your app version. And in this menu, you'll see various options to actually update your account information. You want to look for phone number section, right? Just tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter your new number. So what you basically do, guys, you want to just verify your new phone number, and Uber Eats will send you a verification code via an SMS, right? Just enter the code in the app to just confirm the update. And then, guys, what you're going to do basically is just save your changes. So once your new number is verified, it will be updated on your Uber Eats account. And that's it, guys. Your phone number is now successfully updated on Uber Eats. And guys, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.